So in this training video, we are going to run through the check-in page on your LegitFit account. The check-in page is primarily used for facilities that allow for open access or just need customers to scan in on their way in to keep a record of who's in the building, but also to ensure that they have active memberships. So it works through the use of a QR code, which can be found on their LegitFit app or via the web browser if they're logged in that way. And it is for the facility yourself to have a device by which they can scan in. So that might be just a generic QR code scanner, which we can provide you a recommendation there, a simple one on Amazon for about 50 quid. Or if you have a phone, a tablet, or some other device that would allow you to scan, because all you would need to do is go into, let's say for example, if it was a phone or iPad, all you need to do is download the LegitFit app, log in with the business logins for this account, and a QR scanner will present itself on the scan option. Okay, that's the only option that should be on the professional side. But that will allow you to scan customers, and then they will pop up green when that membership is active. Obviously, it will flash up red if that membership is not active. So it just allows you to keep track of who is not only in the building, the time that they've shown up, but also if they have an next booking, or if they're using a particular product. Okay, as in what service they're using to scan in. So if they have an open gym, that might appear here. So I've marked this person in manually. Okay, you can see here I have somebody called Alex in at 5:45 as well. I can mark them in, and as you'll see, it ticks up green. Now you can see more details here on the right hand side of that membership to check all the details. So it flashes up red, it's like when did it end, just let them know. So really easy access there. But that is the nuts and bolts of the check-in page. The only final thing to mention is if you need to download these or want to download them for records, you can do so on the top right. And then you can filter on the left-hand side if you want to see specific dates. So if I wanted to go back last week, obviously I've only put 2 people through, but you could check through that date range. And if you need to, for whatever reason, you can delete them on the right-hand side as well. But that's as simple as the check-in page is. If you have any questions, as always, you can email support@legitfit.com.